Alright, this is how I make problem type beats really fast. Problem's a Novagang, just a group of rappers. So you want to start off with some basic plucks, just short and, you know, just very basic. You don't want it to be too complex, but you also don't want to make it like too simple. Something like this. Next, you want to get a counter melody, something that's low, like a pad or something. Alright, for the 808, you don't want to make it too complex, just have 1 or 2 notes. It doesn't have to be super varying. I just have it hit 3 times right here, and then 1 last time, and that's it here. Alright, Prblm tends to use hi-hats with lots of delay on it, so it sounds very filling, and he likes to add just different randomized patterns. Just make it very, you know, just don't make it simple. Don't just add a 2-step, but like add some lower hats too, and add some spins and stuff. Next, I just have a open hat with a hi-hat. Just goes into one another. For the snare, you just want to add something simple, nothing too complex, just basic clap, nothing different. I just make the kicks hit with the 808. That's about it, nothing special here either. And if you want, you can add a second counter melody later in the song. Like, I just have this simple art, just same chords as before. And that's about it. So after that, I mean, Prblm likes to cut off the 808 in the beginning and then just have it hit halfway through. And then, I mean, the rest of it isn't too confusing, just, you know, basic. So for the vocals, I just added 3 layers of regular vocals and then 1 ad-lib track, and just cut the beat off at one time. So I'm gonna be playing with effects because my voice without the effects is kind of weird. So I have a main vocal.
Prblm, see you in my sleep.
I have a secondary vocal behind it.
Prblm, see you in my sleep.
And then I added a 3rd layer of vocals, but it has a lot more reverb and effects on it. It sounds like this. And then a basic ad-lib track, nothing crazy. And then once you have all that, you want to export it and then drop it back in and then speed it up, and then it should sound like this.
See you in my sleep. All too many drugs, but it ain't too deep. See you in my tongue, but you moving slow. And when you moving fast, we're at 44.